So we're currently on lockdown 2, so that brings us back to the kitchen. We've now gone into a recession, so today I thought it would be a good idea to make a meal everyone can afford. It's from the 1930s. It's called the poor man's meal. It involves 3 ingredients: potato, onion and hot dogs. So I thought we'll get back
I've been in the
whipping in the kitchen.
whipping.
But I found a recipe on the YouTubes with a little old lady. She's a sweet little thing, she is. And she'll be showing us how to make this.
Oh, how I wish the rhyme would contend at getting to the Big Ben's Dems. This ain't play.
I'm Clara.
Hi, Clara.
I'm 91 years old. Today we are making
Oh, she's looking
meals
good
from
for
the
91,
Depression.
you know. Okay, yeah.
meal which we ate during the Depression.
It's gonna be yes for a recession.
It has
Okay, enough of
potatoes,
these intros.
hot dogs, because they were cheaper, so we got the hot dogs.
I have German hot
Let's begin
dogs.
by peeling the potatoes. What do you want to hear about the Depression? I had
Yeah,
to quit
go
high
on.
school because couldn't afford socks,
What?
afford anything to wear.
I'll buy some socks, Clara. Some Supreme ones.
But we survived.
Yes, you did. Yes, you
Survived.
did.
We were all fat. We ate
You
potatoes.
would never be fat, Clara. What are you talking about?
My father used to buy a sack of potatoes. And we ate potatoes every day. Potatoes with pasta, potatoes fried, potatoes with
pasta.
eggs.
Double carbs.
The way my father would buy a sack of potatoes,
Sack of
of
potatoes.
everything, flour. Potatoes were $1 a sack. That was a lot of money, $1. This is the last one I think I'm going to peel.
Yeah, I think I'm only gonna have one.
I think today the kids like this meal. My grandsons like it. His friends like it.
Can I
They
be
come
your
here
son's,
for a poor
your
man's
grandson's
meal.
friend? You can whip up anything for me, Clara.
If we had a bad potatoes, we'd take the best part out and still eat it.
Oh, you nutty geezer.
Next step is to cube the potatoes. After you peel them, you cube them. Take out all the bad parts. You know, I had to quit high school because I didn't have stockings
Yeah, you just mentioned that.
to wear.
Yeah, you just mentioned.
That's a fact. Now I'm putting the onion in the potatoes. Well, it all depends on
Oh,
how
that's so
many
complex how I just made a
potatoes you have.
quick turn
And
like
I
that.
think
Phew.
in this case, 1 onion is enough. Now I'll put a little oil in the pan.
Just a little bit of oil.
Just judge by yourself how much oil you need. If it runs out of oil, you put a
Oh.
little more, but in this case...
That's
we
not so
can-
little oil.
So I'm going to put this on the stove now and fry them.
Oh, they
I
look
got all the neighborhood
greasy.
kids coming here. They come in and they say, "Can we have the poor man's meal?" They all like it. And we made up that name, poor man's meal. We should have called it the Depression meal.
Hashtag depression meal. When you're sad, just have one of
Hot
these.
dogs ready, cutting them up so we could fry them with the potatoes.
Potatoes.
It all depends how many potatoes you got.
Potatoes.
I think about 4 is enough for this amount of potatoes.
Potatoes.
Here.
Be careful with your
Hot dogs are
fingers.
half cooked and they're tasty and they were cheap.
They are
so
tasty.
anything that was cheap, stick in. Ooh, cold. Oh, Mark
Cold,
comes
are they
over.
frozen?
Nana, make me the poor man's meal. Then he brings his friend Tom.
What a handsome young man.
With Mark's friends, they're boys.
I wonder what you'd have been like
And they like my poor
50
man's
to 60
meal
years
too.
younger. Whew, jeez.
Starting to fry now. The depression was very bad. With a long one too. I had a little garden of my own, and a lady came, one of my neighbors, with a shopping
Well, just
bag, and
give
she
you a
was going
present.
in my yard, in my garden. And I says, "Where are you going?" She says, "I'm going to pick
Get out
a
of man's
few
yard, you know.
things." I says, "Well,
Die
why don't you
kids,
ask
do.
me? I'll give them to you, you know, but I don't want you to go there and
Sure,
just take what
shifter.
you want." I said, "That's a lot of work for me." She
Sure,
came
you
to
and gang
fill her
jumper or
shopping
something.
bag with my garden.
Yeah, it's your garden.
"Oh, I didn't think you were so touchy." I says, "I am touchy." I says, "I work
This
hard
man's
to have
yard.
that garden."
Step
Just
to
made
me, fam.
herself at home.
No, I'm messing with Clara. I actually smacked her.
I'm going to put just a couple of tablespoons of sauce in here. The next thing is I'm going to put the hot dogs with the potatoes.
Oh, this is getting complex now. It looks good though.
Taste the potatoes if they're cooked, then
Potatoes.
you know they're done. Hot dogs will get a
Shame we're
little
not drinking
crooked.
today, because that would be a good drink game. Every time she says
Well,
potatoes,
those kind of bends. I put the water in so the potatoes will soften up and make a nice sauce for them.
yummy.
Let it cook for a few minutes and they're almost ready to eat. It has
That looks good,
potato
Clara.
and hot dog, so
I'll be sitting at that table anyway. Just ring me up and I'll be there.
not much to it.
It's not 4 ingredients.
If you want to watch me make it, I'll be right here.
I'll be here. I'll be watching you, Clara. Alright. Let's start cooking this thing then. So we're now in the kitchen. We need to get our ingredients out. So, complex one, this one. Oh, my potatoes are pretty small. So I'm gonna get 2. I've got 2 potatoes, sausage, onion. Start by peeling potatoes. Whoa, the speed on it. Okay, peel the potato, just cube them up. Potatoes done. Move on to our onion. Yeah, that'll probably do. And then our sausages. Okay, sausage is done. Well, sausage to potato ratio is a bit off. So I'm not as hardcore as Clara. I don't want as much oil as she has. I hope that was less than Clara. Yeah, potato and onion while that gets lovely and golden. Delicious. So I think in a minute I'm going to add my tomato sauce, then a little bit of water to soften them up. Might be ready in a minute. So she said 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add 3. This is looking buff, you know. I'm going to wait for it to get a little bit more golden, well, even though it's red, but wait for it to get a little bit more golden. And then I'll add water and then with sausages. I don't really see how much you put in, but I don't want to put loads, but yeah, I think now it's sausage time. One for me. Yeah, I could have probably done with just 1 sausage. Yeah, so pretty much now we're just waiting. I think potatoes are almost done. The sausages just need to be a bit more crisp. Other than that, we're pretty much done. I haven't eaten today, so I'm just going to have a little snack. A pre-meal snack. Oh, bollocks. But I think it's done. Hers look a bit more wet and congealed. It's time to plate up. Oh no. I feel like I should be serving this as like, just to help yourself, snack box. Tastes like sausage. Good start. sausage and potato, to be honest. Oh, hot. But if I was living in the 1930s, I'd be in this every day. Me and Clara will be living at large. I'll be taking her out on my bike, make one of these, and then just go to the park, go to a rove, skank out a little bit. It's pretty good. Well, thank you for coming along this video. Hope you're enjoying the content at the moment. I'll say that, I've made 2 videos this year, or 3 videos. I know, 4 videos. I expect some more food challenges. Not food challenges, but that McDonald's Happy Meal one. I thought I did a good time until I did some research and some guy did it in 30 seconds. So my aim is to be under about 45-50 seconds. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed me and Clara. I'll try and get Clara back on the channel. But it's been a good one. I hope to see you around soon. I guess tally ho. Cheers.
I've been in the kitchen, whipping. I've been chefing, mix it with my left hand. Water whipping and I'm stirring. Y'all want beef and I'ma serve it. Water whipping and I'm stirring. Y'all want beef and I'ma serve it. I stir it. I hit the pot with a spatula. I mix it, I whip it so good you would think I'm a natural. Water whipping and I'm stirring. Y'all want